A lot of my friends have joined coaching institute. I don't know whether I'll actually gain putting in thousands of rupees there, or should I self study, and even with self study I'll be able to succeed. Now this is a big question that most of the students who are preparing they have. Now the main reason they have this question is most of their peer groups are joining some coaching institute. Let's talk about days when we qualified our examinations. And that time, there was no trend of joining any coaching institute. The students used to go through the syllabus, pass papers, practice, have knowledge, have concept building, and then crack the examination. So there was no culture, what we call as coaching culture. Now, since some of your colleagues would be joining the coaching, what would happen? It would create an artificial pressure in your mind that you are losing something. You are missing out something which is known to them. Now, in that case, even when you are doing a self study, you will be always doubtful about your preparation. So, the most important thing is have confidence on yourself. Decide that I can understand the concepts reading the book. If that is not the case, go to write references. Take out good authors, good books. You can refer some of the video lectures, like if you have specific segments in which you feel you have problem, rather than joining the coaching for the complete subject, the complete syllabus, you can just pinpoint those specific areas. Okay, I'm weak in microeconomics, I need more practice for polity. Then you can have a targeted preparation schedule. Even with self-study, now you have video courses that are available. So even on doorstep, there are numerous video courses that we provide. So you can get to specific things that you want to understand, where you feel concept building is really important, and you are stuck when it is being written or taught in the books. So in that case, you might need a little mentorship. But otherwise, if you are able to understand the concept and it's just about learning, practice, then definitely there is no shortcut to self-study. Definitely self-study would give you better result. If you are the same person, you appear with 1 year with self-study, the other year with coaching, definitely you would perform better. With self-study, you are saving time on commuting, you are saving time on unnecessary undue pressure, and you are also saving time with undue pressure what your friends are scoring in your coaching, or what numerous references they are referring to in the coaching. So just have a clear knowledge about the books, the references that you need to follow, the past papers, the overall guidance, the syllabus, and the methodology. And with that, you can definitely have a good, thorough self study and qualify and crack the examination.